She doesn't want to wear her hair curly anymore. She wants to wear it straight. But she wants to still be hashtag Team Natural. She's just going through that thing where she wants to wear her hair straight. How long you been natural, Deja?
Since the fourth grade. Since the 4th grade.
So that's what, 6 years? It's her hair. She has to be comfortable with it.
It's time for both of us to get my hair done every.
So what are you gonna do? So do you want to permanently straighten your hair?
I want to, but I'm not doing it.
As straight as I can get it. She wants it bone straight, so she doesn't care about heat damage or any of that.
Now imagine if I was to get a Japanese treatment. My hair would have been like all the way down here.
It'll be longer because once you get flat iron. Ooh-wee. But I'm gonna have to chop off them ends, girl.
What end? I clearly don't have.
Deja, come on now.
It's gonna hurt. Oh no!
Come on now. Deja, you want this?
Ow! Mom, this is towel.
I don't need the comb, Chase, because this one has the combs in it. You can see. Get over
Mom, you hurting my neck.
No, come on.
They be burning me.
Come on. You have all day. 5 seconds, you're gonna be doing it yourself. 1, 5, and
I'm here. See, I have to get a towel.
I just finished straightening Deja's hair and I cut it. She just had it in a bantu knot, so it kind of got like a body wave to it, but she's kind of like hoping it stays.
And you put some oils on it to not make it get crispy.
Yeah, I put something to kind of like weigh it down, because if not, normally after we do it, it gets like frizzy and swell up quick.
Frizzy, you can feel it, right?
And she wants it to last. She wants to wear it straight without chemically processing it.
Like, don't touch my hair unless you want oil on your hands.
Cause I did like,
she was like,
I went ham.
like, yours smells like your poofy.
Let's see if it works.
It out. I mean, yeah.
But yeah, she thinks she's doing something. She's up. Oh no. Sadina, what are you doing up?